This celery salad has gone viral, I think, on all the platforms, but I haven't tried it yet, so we are going to try it here together. I read a ton of the recipes of the celery date salad recipe, and I have come up with the one I'm going to make here today. So let's start with some dressing in the bottom of the bowl. I'm going to do a couple of tablespoons of olive oil, and then I'm going to do just a couple shakes of, I don't have any white wine vinegar, so I'm just going to use a little rice vinegar because that's what I had in my pantry. And then let's do just a little smidge of Dijon mustard. And I'm going to do a little salt and pepper. Maybe a lot of pepper. I like pepper. So I'll do some pepper. And then let's do some splash of salt here. And then I have the juice of one lemon here. I just picked off the tree and juiced it. So there's some more acid, but I thought it might need a little vinegar too. If I'd had white wine or champagne vinegar, I would have used that, but I didn't have that, so we're going with what we have. So, ooh, looks like a seed got through. Get him out. Hold on. So we've got our dressing here. I might put another smidge of oil in there because I think we're going to need a little more to douse all our yummy things here. Okay, so to that, oop, hold that thought. I got another seed got through my juicer here. Nobody likes to have seeds in their salad. Let me get that out. There we go. So in my little dish here, I have about a tablespoon of fresh chopped dill, about a tablespoon, maybe a heaping tablespoon of fresh Italian parsley chopped, and 1 green onion chopped. So get all those, our fresh herbs in there. And then the star of the show, I have some celery here, all chopped. Put the celery in. And then I have about a half of a cucumber. I'm just making like 2 servings of this. I didn't need a ton of it. And then I have some freshly grated Parmesan. Put that in here. Yum. And then I have 5 dates that are all, I took the seeds out and chopped them. So you see they're in a nice dice. And then I have about a half an apple diced. Made everything kind of the same size. And then I toasted back here a few walnuts. You could make this with whatever you like. Almonds, pistachios, whatever you have, whatever you like. I just toasted them real quick on the cooktop. And then we're going to give all this a toss. And move on to my salad tossers here. And oh my gosh. This is like 2 entree portions of salad. But oh, doesn't that look yummy? Guess that's why it's gone viral all over the place, because it has so many yummy things and it just looks delicious. So let's give this a taste. Oh my gosh, let me serve a little bit of this up so you guys can see. I have a little salad / plate bowl here. And this looks so yummy. So let's put a little bit in there and give it a taste. So let's see, I want to get kind of a bite of everything. Oh, that is delicious. The fresh herbs make that really, really yummy. You can taste the fresh lemon and the fresh herbs. Oh my gosh, it's delicious. So there is my version of the viral celery date salad. So hope you enjoy, and let me know if you try it or which recipe you have tried that you think is delicious. So as always, thanks for watching us here at Hostess Coach.